Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to stream on Twitch using OBS. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. First of all, open your OBS and click on settings and click on stream and click on this service, and from here you have to select Twitch, and here you will get two options. You can select connect account, or you can select use stream key to connect your Twitch account with your OBS. So I'm going to select your connect account. Now enter here your Twitch account username and password and click on login, and your Twitch account will be connected to your OBS. And then click on this plus icon and click on game capture. Now select your game of choice from the drop down menu and click on OK. And now you can right click on the source box again to add any additional fields. You can add images and text to customize your layout. Use monitor capture to show anything on your display, or select video capture to use your webcam. So I'm going to clicking on plus icon and selecting here display capture. Okay, and select preview stream and edit scene to tweak your stream layout to your liking. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.